Well, the day has come. My Pioneer hardware come in, and I'm going to get this changed out. I did notice, and I don't know like what was going on. There is a smaller hose and a bigger hose. I'm going to call this 3/4 inch and this maybe 1/2 inch, and I'm not sure why they did that. I think probably I should read the book, right? That's key, because maybe there is rhyme to reason to this. You know, more coming out and less going back, or I don't know, man. I know that I want more pressure, not less. I like this one. I ain't down with that. And if I'm gonna change all this out, why not change the hoses out? So come over here and just basically unscrew them right here and put new ones on. Then I'll have a breakaway coupler, just easy in, easy out, just like on my H. They're fantastic. It's truly the way to go. Oh, so I got this bottom hose off, and then I'm just kind of tinkering around with the top one. And I have no idea what I did with the wrench. Oh, there it is. And yes, I'm using my Mexican adjustable wrench. It's just nice to kind of go through this tractor and get everything right. Dynamite. There we go. And there we go. Yeah, let's go get some new hoses. Out with the old. Gotta be in with the new. Well, there you go. I got one new hose in. I went with the 1/2 inch special. And I didn't look at the book, but put some thread sealant on there to 10,000 psi and 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which that hydraulic fluid better not get 300 degrees. Man. Yeah, a couple 1/2 inchers going back from 1 inch to 1 inch to a 1/2 inch. And the hoses on the cylinder itself are 1/2 inch. And what's really cool about this, the new Pioneers call for the, what are these, 8210s? They are 8010s, okay, which, that's cool. And just by happenstance, I put 8010s on here. There you go, we're set. Now the only difference is these are the flat tops, not the rounds. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I've heard guys say that they like the round ones, rounded off ones better, but I don't know. I've never had any problems with them yet. We'll see with the Pioneer remote on there. Somebody's going to ask about the length from the valve to the remote. This is 60 inches, and you can see, yeah, I'm going to pin it's up because I got a bunch of junk on the deck, but you can see it comes out beyond where the bracket will be, so it's perfect. 5 foot. It's real easy. I noticed the guy last set, these are 1/2 inch, and you know, he had 3/4 inch that he had to put an adapter on to 1/2 inch to go there, which kind of told me right away it wasn't the right size hydraulic hose. And I don't know if you can see it, I just put it on the thread itself very liberally. Kind of reminds me of pipe dope. The plumbers, purple people eater. So if you're a Minnesota Vikings fan, you probably like this a lot. Yeah, it's not cheap stuff, but it's good stuff. Used it in the past a lot. Take to the hand turn. I'm willing to bet nobody can guess what wrench I'm grabbing. Knew it. You get it wrong. Old go-to. Wannabe crescent. This is going to be nice. It's just another finishing touch on this tractor that somebody else was not willing to do. It's too nice of a tractor just not to make it right, though. There you go. Both 1/2 inch. Hoses go back. They'll be well taken care of and manicured. And things will look right. Dynamite. No cracks in the hoses, no goofiness going on. Oh, that's tight, boy. That's tight. Same thing on the back side. You got the Pioneer outlet. You're gonna screw right onto there. Put your purple people eater on here, like such. A lot of people use Teflon tape and whatever. I just don't. I like this stuff better. I really do. And tighten it initially, and then what I use is I'll use the crescent wrench here and a pipe wrench there, and I'll crank her just as tight as you could. I've never had a leak. Knock on wood. Man, that's tight. Woo! Pipe wrench tight. Dynamite. Oh, that's gonna be perfect, man. Oh. Breakaway just like that. Oh yeah, I am completely down with that. It'll look neat and new, just like it should. These on here, which will also be nice. Nice covers like that for when you're not using it. Good to go. Well, without having it completely tightened down, that's how it's going to look. And it'll perform just as good as it looks. These little ones, if you buy one of these 7/16 on the outside. It's got a very slight angle to it because I'm always standing on that side of the tractor pushing them in, so it's just easier if they're facing that way just a hair, as you can probably tell in the video. Oh, there you go. You just clip it in the back side of the collar there, and when you push your male ends in, they just clip right in. And then, of course, I've got these to put them on both. Put both of them on one hose, but it'll still work. Now that I can stand looking at. And of course I'll do the hose thing, but either way, that's a whale of a lot better. All right, so just to test it out, these are, you just push them right in. SHTF out in the field, you lose your implement, you don't have to worry about nothing because it just comes right out. Goes right in, goes right out. And there you go. Much, much, much better. Out. Out. In. And I'll take that any day of the week over what I had. Pulling back the collar, struggling to get it in. No thanks. Yeah, we set. Got my covers right here. It's waiting to be used. That's pretty much how it's done. Easy peasy. Right there. All new hoses. And again, I'll tighten those up down on the deck. And those will last me a lifetime. Without a doubt. And maybe somebody else's too. And there's the old ones. Oh, on the deck in the bush. Well, let's test it out. Couldn't figure out why I wasn't picking it up very high. Got a flat tire over there, but yeah, it's definitely working. And that'll most definitely work for me. That's a wrap. We gotta do this more often.